In today's video, I'm gonna be revealing 17 companies that are always hiring for work from home jobs. And make sure you stick around to the end because I'm gonna be giving you links to apply for a job for all 17 of these companies. And I'm also gonna be sharing what jobs the companies are hiring, what skills they're looking for, and other insider tips so that you can pick the best company for your personality as well as your skill set. Let's get into it with number one on the list, which is going to be Working Solutions. Now, Working Solutions is only available to people in US and Canada, but most of the ones I present on this list are actually going to be available to people all over the world. Now, Working Solutions allows you to work from home as an independent contractor. They've won many awards for being one of the top 100 remote work companies, and they hire people from just about every single walk of life, whether you're a recent college grad who's getting your first job, or maybe you're retired and you want to make a little bit of extra money on the side and just keep yourself busy. And the people that work for them are known as the woohoo crew. And when you work as an independent contractor for them, you get to set your own hours and you decide when you work and how long you work. So if you're a morning person, you can work in the morning. If you're a night owl, you can work at night. And they have over 150,000 people working for them. Now, they most commonly hire people for call center positions, and you're gonna make somewhere around $15 an hour. And they actually have an estimator on their website that shows you approximately how much you're gonna make. So if you work about 8 hours per day and 5 days per week, you'll make about $600 per week. And you will make more or less depending on the program you work for and the incentives. And by the way, my team and I vetted all of these companies. We scraped information from the internet. We made sure they had positive reviews before we put them on this video. So there's lots of positive reviews for this company on the internet. I'm not gonna show all the reviews for every single company because that would take too long. But yeah, this is a really good option. It is $15 an hour, not amazing, but at the same time, if you're just trying to get started working remote, this can be a great option for you.